look what I got. I was really brave, and I pressed the buy button on EGlobal. Yes, I did, from China. And I got this today, this morning, 5 weeks later. Yes, I was getting really impatient. And yes, I was sending them messages. Where is it? And it came, eventually, 5 weeks later. But I digress. This is going to be a little unboxing. I got this morning, or arrived this morning, and I didn't want to take it out of its packet because I didn't want to do a unboxing that wasn't real. As you probably might be able to see there, it's still got its cellophane on. See all that cellophane stuff on there? Pretty cool, eh? Right, but let's just go through some of the features of this particular little device. It was in Chinese, it's very helpful. It's a 4K little camera, in 4K you've got 30 frames per second, or I think you've got 24 on as well, which I hope. That's what I'd rather have. And it's got the faster codec on it, which is the H.265 codec for the processing of the video. So you'll get smaller file sizes. Relief. 4K, big file sizes, not great. And it also has it's a 3-axis stabilisation, because basically what it is a little gimbal. You see a little thing on top there? It wobbles. It follows whatever motion you give it, and it will keep your image steady. Now, I'm actually doing this little video on another gimbal. And it's the Zion. How do you say that? Zion? Smooth Q. Anyway, it's a mobile phone gimbal, and it's got my OnePlus 6 on there at the moment, and that's what we're doing the video on. So, I do like gimbals, plus all my drones got gimbals on them too. Quite handy actually, to keep everything stable on the horizon level. Brilliant. But I've got this little thing here because it's fairly small, as you can probably see on this picture up top here. Look at her, she's only tiny. There you go, yeah, looks tiny, doesn't it? Tiny in her hands. So it's pretty inconspicuous. So if you imagine if you're wearing something black and you've got that stuck on out the box, obviously, and then it'd be, inconspicuous. You wouldn't expect that. People, see a mobile phone in their face, they might think, there's a mobile phone in my face, someone's taking a picture. This is a little bit more, stealth. Yeah, stealth. Anyway, let's no further ado, let's open it up, shall we? So this little thing, it's a nice little white box. I don't believe you get a lot in the box other than the camera, the gimbal, the pocket, the Femi Palm, whatever you like to call it. I'm not sure what sort of category of camera these are. Really, as a video camera, we know, but well, that came off nice and easy. Yeah. All right. So it opens from the top, I believe, or no, side opening. It has a little sticker on the side opening to cut through. Oh no, we cut through the stuff inside with a knife. No, I didn't. Couldn't I? Oh, there we go. Something just dropped out. Oh, let's go and grab that. Oh. And what's that? First thing that springs to mind is the user manual, which has about 2 pages in it. Well, no, I'll tell you, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 pages. Rather generous, aren't they? And it is in English and Chinese or Mandarin, or would it be Cantonese or whatever it might be. It is in 2 languages. It's not in French. I'm in France. So it doesn't really tell you a lot. So the best thing you can do with that is probably forget about it within a degree and check online regarding actually first usage and all that. Because I don't know if that's really going to provide you information. Because I've heard stories that's a good idea to update the firmware before you start using it. The other thing you need to make sure you do is with your SIM card, your SD card that you can put, which should probably be the micro, I imagine. I don't know just yet, but I imagine it is the micro SD card that has to go in there. Make sure you format it in the camera itself. Don't format it on your computer, then put it in. It doesn't always fare too well. You might have problems with recognising the card. You need to format the card in the camera. And it's pretty much the same with any camera. Same with my drones. I have the same problem with all my drones. I tend to format the format the SD cards in the drone. It works better because it's in its own kind of formatting kind of sequence thingy. Anyway, I took that bit out of there. Let's put that to one side for a minute. What else do we get in the box? You get more cardboard, it's very useful cardboard, you know. And a cable. Is that all you get? It's a USB-C cable. A skinny one. I'm not sure, I'm convinced it'll take a lot of load, but it's only a charge cable, so it probably doesn't require a lot of load to be able to handle it. And something that's really exciting, a silica gel pouch. That's all you get in the box. You get the bit you actually want in the real bit, the really important bit, which is that. The box, you get the air in the box, silica gel, and you get your cable. Your USB to USB-C cable. How long is that? Probably not very long. It's probably only about 12 inches, 300mm long. Looking at it, I'm just going to measure it and I'm going to confirm. What a good guess. Yes, it's 300mm, 30 centimetres or 12 inches long. Yeah. You could use it as a measure, but you'll be disappointed. So, innuendo. So let's get out of this weird little cardboard box, shall we? So it's in the weird little cardboard box. It doesn't actually want to come out of the weird little cardboard box. Is there something? Oh, hang on. Does it slide out of there? No, I don't think so. Does it slide out of there? Right. I can hear my dog barking outside. What he's done is he's gone for the dog flap. He's run all the way around the house, in our old farmhouse here. And he's gone to the other door, barking at the other door to let me in. He's dopey old fool, he is. Well, he ain't very old, he's only 8. What's he 9? Can't remember now. Anyway, it came out of the box. Or the sleeve, or the thing. It feels much better than I thought, to be honest. It feels quite substantial. It's got some weight to it, which I like. I like a bit of weight in things. And you get this funny kind of guard. Now, I don't like this. Don't like that at all. I think that should be covering the screen, personally, because you've got nothing else to put it in. You've got no sleeve or pouch or anything to put this in. So if you put it in your pocket, remember it's a pocket device, you're going to scratch all the screen, aren't you? So I'd have thought it'd be a good idea if that went over that and the buttons. Remember you've got joystick here, all get muck in it. That is not so great. That needs a pouch of some description, sort of like this one here, scrotum up there. Yeah, something like that, you can plonk it in, that fits. So, when does this come off? Interesting. What? This thing. Okay, it pulls off sideways. And yeah, it's quite a nice little do for you. It feels okay. You've got your SD, is micro SD in the side here. You've got a USB-C port in the bottom, and there's a nice rubber mat on the bottom there, which means it's less likely to slide about. Quite good, really. That's quite handy. But I am going to be mounting this using a special little clamp. It's going to go around there so I can put it onto a mini tripod of some description, because I want to use this for doing some of my YouTube videos instead of my mobile phone. And I'll just link the two together and the phone and upload the videos. That's the idea anyway. For the unedited videos, like this one, this is going to be an unedited video. I'm not going to edit this video. Lucky you. So, there we have it. We have our Femi Palm DJI Pocket copy. Look, it's exactly the same size as her. Actually, hers is smaller. Yeah, hers is slightly smaller than mine. Look. A bit shocking. I'll complain. And it feels quite good in the hand. I'm going to do a review on it once I had a little bit of play with it and understand it a bit more. I'm going to download the firmware and update all the firmware. If it needs it, might be updated, might not. Probably not. It's probably been sitting in a box and shelf somewhere for months on end before it got to me. Well, it's certainly been 5 weeks and 2 weeks on an aeroplane. Yeah, I don't think they had that much fuel, but apparently, according to the Dragon, it was 2 weeks on the aeroplane from China. Yeah, don't sound right to me. There's a flaw in that plane. Anyway, thank you for watching my little unboxing of my Femi Palm 3-axis gimbal camera. I can get up to all sorts of mischief with this, and I certainly will. So keep on watching. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you're most kind, click like and subscribe, and maybe the little bell icon, because you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket. There'll be me uploading another video, and I know you'd be excited about that. Sorry about my squeak. I saw a high-pitched squeaky voice just then. Anyway, I'm going to upload now.